I was a student of City College in 2011, and I got my bachelor degree in economics from City College in 2012. Every single member of my family has been a student of City College of New York. I think this is a unique story. Every single member of my family has been a student of City College of New York. And this amazing story started with me. I was a student of City College of New York in 2011, right? I was a security guard in 2011 here at City College during the night, and I was a student of City College of New York during the day. So I'm going to share that amazing story with you. And then my son was a student of City College. He graduated from City College, and now he is heading to Brown. So never discount City College. In 2011, I was working during the night as a security guard here at City College, and during the day, I was pursuing bachelor degree in economics here at City College. As a student of City College, I would be working as a security guard during the night time, of course, from 12 midnight to 8 in the morning, right? And then I would be going to home and sleep for 4 hours and come back City College to take courses. But when I coming back to the City College, I would be bringing Raf, my elder son, right? Because I was too poor to do other things for him. So I decided to bring him to my classes, to my math class, physics class, most importantly, Michio Kaku's class. So the most important course I took at City College was the physics with Michio Kaku, right?
Right.
In 2011. Why? Because I fell in love with physics and I moved to that direction. But most importantly, uh, it gave me chance to bring you to the class.
That's
You
right.
were 6 or 7, right?
That's right. And that's what inspired me to fall in love with physics. My journey at the City College of New York began more than a decade before I arrived on its campus for my bachelor's in physics. 10 years ago, my dad would bring me to City College to go to Professor Michio Kaku's lectures on theoretical physics. And that's what inspired me to begin my journey in physics. I first came to City College when my dad used to bring me to Professor Michio Kaku's courses at CCNY right down this building at Marshak Hall. My dad used to bring me to Introduction to Astronomy, Professor Kaku's course on everything from planets to galaxies to stars to nebulae to exoplanets. And that course changed my entire perspective on the universe. That was the course that ignited my inspiration, my passion for physics. And that's what really inspired me to become a physicist, that single course taught by Professor Michio Kaku. And lo and behold, 10 years later, exactly a decade later after that, I would choose the City College of New York to pursue my bachelor's of physics in, and I would publish not one but two peer-reviewed physics papers in theoretical peer-reviewed journals, and I would receive the Michio Kaku Scholarship in Theoretical Physics, all while maintaining a 3.95 GPA and being accepted to Brown University for graduate study in physics. While Professor Michio Kaku gave me the inspiration to begin studying physics in the first place, all of the other professors really gave me a mastery of the basic courses. But I want to highlight one professor in particular, and that is Professor Timothy Boyer.
You took E&M with him, you didn't do well.
ENM 1 and 2.
He gave you chances.
That's right.
He said, Mr. Bari, you can take the test whenever you want, whenever you're ready. Uh,
he gave me 30 days.
30 days.
30 days to fix my trajectory in ENM. And so I failed his exams not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times. But he still believed in me, and he said, Mr. Barry, if you do well, I'll give you one more chance in 30 days. If you do well in that last chance, not everything that came before that will be erased. Everything before that does not matter.
That should be the teaching approach.
Right.
That should be the teaching approach every single professor. Now we're gonna invite another member of our family, and that is Shubhana.
My story with CCNY begins all the way back in 2016, when I was only 4 years old. It began when I met the then president of CCNY, Dr. Lisa Koiko. We had an amazing meeting together where we talked about several topics in both math and physics.
Okay, so you heard from my elder son his experience as a student and as a sitting student of City College of New York. Now my younger son will share his story. Shubhana, can you share your story as a student and as a uh, as a child, your experience? What City College did for you?
Well, my experiences with the City College of New York actually started all the way back in 2016 with then President Lisa Koiko. She had a very nice meeting with me where we discussed a very specific calculus problem, and we also talked about some more general problems in math and physics. It was a very wonderful meeting. In fact, she gave me the title after that meeting of Einstein of our time.
You were only 4 year old.
Indeed, it was
Okay,
all the
now
way in
can you share your
2016.
experience as a student of City College? When did you start? What courses you took, and what grade you got?
Well, actually, my experience as a student started all the way to right now, 8 years later. Well, not right now, but only a few months ago, I started my ordinary differential equations course here with Professor Oth, and I finished it a while ago, a few weeks ago, and it was a wonderful experience. I learned about lots of stuff, Fourier series, how to solve regular differential equations of the first order, of the second order, of any order using the integration factor, using separation of variables, using variation of parameters, using undetermined coefficients, power series. We really did learn a lot. And so
What grade did you get?
I actually got a B. But personally, I think that my experience here has gone beyond getting a grade and meeting with my professor every single class. I think not only is this an absolutely beautiful campus, but also that teachers and professors are very supportive. So I think we're on one of the most beautiful spots in the campus right now, right in front of the North Academic Center. And I can't thank everybody at CCNY enough, especially Professor Oth, for letting me take ODE.
So here I'm with my wife, and she is also a student of City College. Now, Remo, can you share your some experience as a student of City College?
Oh yeah, so I started City College at 2023, and this is my third semester. I'm very proud of my husband and my both son. My husband was a City College student and was a security guard here. So that's a unique part of my life. And also my eldest son just graduated from City College, majoring in physics, and my younger one taking class here.
Wow. So you have a unique experience as a
Yes,
student, as a
yes.
wife, as a mom.